front of me is the OPPO A57s, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this OPPO device. First of all, go into Settings. In them, scroll all the way down and choose System Settings. Then select one-handed mode. Now you need to click on this gray sweater in order to activate it. If you are using Turkish navigation, you need to switch to gestures in order to use one-handed mode. You can do that by tapping on Settings in the pop-up, tapping on Gestures, clicking on Cancel or Learn, and selecting this icon at the top left corner. Now click on the sweater and follow all of those instructions. Swipe down at the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. When I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to go back, you can swipe up or just click on this area. In order to disable one-handed mode, tap on the same, now green sweater. If you wish to switch to three keys, go back, choose System Navigation and tap on Buttons. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!